Naija people don bring Ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on a story wey be say it just happened. The Nigerian police don come arrest one lady one named Isatu Shaibu wey join body with one other suspect to come beat her 5-year-old stepdaughter come wunjure the girl well for head. And na the talk person of Nigeria call about police wey be ACP Olumiwa Adejobi na him come out to call yarn this talk on Thursday, January 9th, 2025. For on top this video, where they see the former Kogi State Governor will be Yahaya Bello as he called the dance, they enjoy himself as plenty crowd of him fans they come gather, come they sing for him. We make a con they enjoy himself, and na just few weeks after they release and come out for inside cell because of the 80 billion naira fraud case, we say EFC carry am they go sell. The senior pastor of Omega Fire Ministry, wey Apostle Johnson Suleiman, don come dey tell him members dem say any man wey go comot for inside their church go outside to go marry, say him no go attend that wedding at all. As him come dey talk, say because plenty issue wey dey happen for inside marriage for their church, say most of them na men wey be say they be their member wey go outside go marry another girl take come inside. They say because they no get the same understanding and the same moral of the church together. Say because of this thing, na make am dey talk. Say anybody who wan marry, may they marry their wife for inside their own church.
Ministry, I will not attend the wedding. Personally, the wedding will be conducted. They will join you, but I will not come because we have a lot of daughters in this church. You are looking outside, and I'll tell you why. Wait, I'll tell you why. Listen now. Every 70% of the crisis I have handled in the past 2 months is from people that married girls that were not here. Are you what I'm talking about? That were not here. Both pastors, I'm telling you, both pastors, both members. Because the lady does not have your training, does not have your upbringing, does not have your spiritual atmosphere.
Some Calabar police officers and don't come enter inside Funab University to go arrest some innocent students them around that kind 6:30 a.m. early in the morning. And so some other students they come provoke, come gather, come they challenge the Calabar police officers and because of the illegal arrest. But later the police officers they still succeed, take arrest 3 students them and they dey for inside their cell.
I need the one for road. Say everybody.
The APC chieftain will be Joe Igbokwe don on the yarn. They tell all the people that will say they won't try to contest for 2027 election against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Say me they not just dream at all. Say because President Bola Ahmed Tinubu go must finish in 8 years old. We say in start to make Nigeria better as a country. As in on the yarn this talk on top in social media on Thursday, January 9th, 2025. The Ekalama police officer will be ACP Olumiwa Adejobi don come the yarn say the police officer wey they see for on top this video will hold bundle of money for the 2 sons of Chief Okoya where they spray money anyhow. Say they don't arrest the police officer and then go face disciplinary action as in come out to come yarn this talk. Say then will be Ekalama police say they condemn this action where the police officer do. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission will be EFCC. Don't come make sure say they arrest and also jail one Yahoo boy wey name be Chima Ijinusu Nkwacha aka young billionaire say because of impersonation and also Yahoo wey need do wey be the 2 count charges wey made them take her and take go court as they can sentence The Lagos State Calabar Police Command don arrest this woman wey name be Stella Nwadigbo 45 years old as they come carry and take go court to say because they say am for top this video when they beat 3 years old small boy. In later come they talk say the boy na him son through him saying they try won't teach the boy how to write something. As in come they beat the boy. And now yesterday will be on Thursday, January 9th, 2025, and they carry and take go court to go judge the case of child abuse.
The child is your child, and you cause no chaos in the country.
Kill it, I'll kill you, man.
For on top this video where CCTV camera take capture how some kidnappers them try one kidnap one man for inside a compound wey dey for Ogwashuku, Delta State on a Thursday night, January 9, 2025. Now so the man come sharply come jump come out for inside a motor, come run come out, and the shawarma wey we say the man just buy 9 come fall for ground where the kidnappers them come collect.
Nana bros, clear. Ogba, nana. Ayi for me. All ka bana enu nana now. Ogba name for na. Okay. Bros, nana you home nana for the bike. Nana kwasi sakwa mo. See as I can go back. They see, boom. See the guy shoot me for now. See what I do, bros. What I do. Understand? And I said that guy, okay. You want to shoot? See how the guy can't punch the driver. Okay, see what happened now. You know, say shoot again. That's how I want follow now. They don't lock the gate. They don't move now. So nah, I don't move. See as I leave motor, I don't move. Okay, they collect the shawarma.
Okay, now shawarma.
Bro, they don't move. Bro, see they say so.
See that purple one. And you will pass this one. So you don't pass now. Now they tell you now.
Human activists wey be Omoyole Sowore don come dey challenge some police officers wey go block airport road for inside Lagos State. Come dey do stop and search as him come dey tell them say he no go park and he no go want make the police people dey search him motor. Say because why they go dey block airport road for no reason, come dey cause traffic anyhow.
We know the park. Go and bring your oga. I know the park. Now they cause traffic for roads. We don't need this traffic. This is the airport road. This is the airport road. I know the park. I know the park. Come on for road. Come on for road. I know the park. Go bring your commissioner. I know the park. I know the park. I know the park. When I come up for road, God punish you too.
The coordinator of Edo State Public Response Safety Team, Dokon Toku, say they don't pursue the oversabi official wey be say he go jump enter inside one car, come dey follow the bus driver, dey drag steering, wey make all the people that wait there for inside the bus come dey fear. They beg the driver make he stop the car, but the driver not stop. Now so he still continue. They follow the driver, they drag the steering, and this will get happen for inside Benin City. Firefighters them for inside Los Angeles, United States of America, don't try to quench the ogbonge fire. We say don't buy 5 people them for inside California as the fire can continue con dey burn. We say don't burn over 2,000 structures them as 80 people they wait there for inside those areas. All of them don't run come out from their houses there.
Hey, hi.
They don't finally come bury the former United States of American president wey name be Jimmy Carter on Thursday, will be January 9, 2025. As plenty United States of American people they come they send their tribute, even their family and their friends them, and also in associate them, all of them come they send their good wishes and also their tribute as they bury
Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.